Look closely at the walls of the Grand Canyon. You see those distinct horizontal stripes of red and orange. Those are the pages of Earth's diary. But if you look at one specific line, you'll find something that should be impossible. You're looking at a contact point where 500-million-year-old sandstone sits directly on top of rock that is nearly 2 billion years old. Where did the middle go? We aren't talking about a missing weekend or a lost decade. We are talking about a billion-year gap. 1/4 of our planet's entire history has been systematically erased from the geological record. It's as if someone took a cosmic eraser to the crust of the Earth and scrubbed it clean. This isn't just a local glitch, it's a global phenomenon. From the peaks of Scotland to the depths of the American desert, the same chronological wound appears. Geologists call it the Great Unconformity, and for over a century it has stood as the most haunting mystery in science. For a long time, we felt secure in our understanding of deep time. We believed that for every era there was a layer of sediment, a physical proof of existence. We built our entire understanding of evolution and plate tectonics on this foundation, but this gap ruins that security. It suggests that our record isn't just incomplete, it's been tampered with by forces of unimaginable scale. Imagine the sheer volume of rock required to cover 1 billion years. Mountains rising, oceans forming, life beginning to stir in the primordial soup. All of that material, miles and miles of solid stone, is just gone. Where did it go? The leading theory for years was Snowball Earth. The idea is that hundreds of millions of years ago, the entire planet froze over, becoming a giant white marble. Glaciers miles thick acted like a planetary belt sander, grinding the crust into powder and dumping it into the oceans. It sounds plausible until you look at the math. If that much rock was eroded, where is the chemical signature in our ancient oceans? Why don't the numbers match the physical evidence? Then there's the Rodinia hypothesis, the idea that a supercontinent tore itself apart, causing the land to rise and the weather to strip the surface bare. But even that feels like a desperate attempt to explain a crime scene where the body has been vaporized. Some scientists are now looking at the heat signatures within the rocks themselves, suggesting the erosion happened in fits and starts, a slow-motion heist of time. But the deeper we dig, the stranger it gets. This gap happens right before the Cambrian Explosion, the moment life on Earth suddenly went from simple cells to complex, armored monsters. Is it a coincidence that the biggest leap in life's history happened immediately after 1 billion years of data was deleted? Or was the erasure itself the catalyst? We like to think of the Earth as a permanent monument, but the Great Unconformity proves it's more like a palimpsest, a parchment that's been scraped clean and rewritten over and over again. We are living on the ruins of a history we can no longer read. What else has been erased? What civilizations, what biological experiments, what planetary shifts occurred in that billion-year silence? We may never know. The Earth keeps its secrets buried deep, but in this case, the secret is the burial itself. We are standing on a void, a billion-year-long scream of silence that reminds us just how little we actually know about the ground we walk on. If you ever feel like time is slipping away, just remember, the Earth lost 1 billion years and didn't even leave a note. What do you think happened during the Great Silence? Was it just ice and stone, or something we aren't meant to see? Comment your theories below, and follow to dive deeper into the glitches of our reality.